Yeah. Hi guys. It's too cold here in my city now. But I'm here. I'm here working. And I will repair now. I'm going to start a new job. The next web copy is oh uh, it's funny. It's really funny. Well done, guys. I receive here every day a lot of quadcopters, the majors, two the majors for repair. And I'm every day here. I start my job. So funny, happy. I like to talk about some things. So funny kids, some funny things. But every day you are looking at my channel here in Brazil that the people don't respect my job. They are crazy here, and this means that there's no an answer for stop these bad feelings and bad actions from the people. But I'm here. I need to finish my job here in Brazil, and then I will arrive in Europe. But now I will show to you that I'm so skillful. I'm skilled for drone repair. I make everything about drone restore and all the systems too. I don't show to you here in my channel. I don't system program because I don't teach all the secret parts of my job. Okay, guys, let's go, and I will show to you what is the situation now. All a minute. Here is too cold. Too cold here today. But here in my city, in all my country, is the winter. Some parts of this world now is hot. I would like to be in a beach now, drinking something and going to the sea. But now, here, I think that I'm in an ice cube. Okay, let's go and I will know what's the situation. Oh, okay, it's not too bad. There is some condition for repair, and I will do. Let's go. I need to. Oh, it's bounded. Perfect. Now I need to repair and make this quadcopter calibrate the gimbal, and I will discover what is this red light here showing something damaged in this quadcopter. Let's go. I will start my job now and I will talk about this situation for drone restore. When I don't replace anything, I make born again all the things damaged in the quadcopter. Let's go. I'm so funny. Okay, I've here the code 30,000. Uh, Perfect. I've here also a gimbal problem. Okay, there's no condition for fly. Perfect. I will solve it. Let me see the IMU and my cell phone is too bad. I need to. I need to. Then I talk about this. Okay, IMU and compass are okay. Let me see other thing here. If there is a new version to download and do the checking because I will be burned the. Okay, it's good now for job. Yeah, okay, I will open the quadcopter and discover what is happening with the hardware. I think that any motor are damaged and I will solve it now. Wow guys, I have a problem here. 13 2210, and I need to discover what is happening for solve the situation. There aren't screws in the sweat copper because the owner tried to repair in your house. A lot of person tried repair. In other countries, there is no one person to join repair. But here in Brazil, there are 113,7. I believe that is a good person for join repair. I have some students here. These 137 students are working with quadcopters, but the owners try to repair in your house, make more a new damage in your quadcopter, and then the repair is too hardly to do. Let's go because I have any connection in the motors, in the engines, the arm engines, the major. Then I need to discover what is happening or make this quadcopter function again. I will I will start with the rightly connection to all the motors and engines. Anything n times I talk motors and n times I talk engines. Well, but I don't remember all the words in English, and I know great. There are a lot of persons that talk in English in my channel or my WhatsApp, and I speak all day with persons, and then speak French, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. Only a few persons speaking English in my WhatsApp, on my WhatsApp. But I speak English since my youthful, when I was only a student in a poor school here in my city, when I live now here in Brazil. And this school was too poor, and I was studying with poor books. There wasn't a great technology by cell phone for study, but I was studying in old books in the glossary. There wasn't some films in English, but nowadays we have a lot of chances for understand and believe in, and develop the system to talk not only in English but all the languages around this world. Okay, let's go because I need to prepare the square coupler now. I will replace all the connection to the engines, and I will discover if there is a problem with the battery or the S board or main board or other part of this quadcopter. This is my first job, the first thing I need to do in this quadcopter. And then I need to repair the gimbal. All the connections needs to be perfectly connected. And I will fix everything here and left this quadcopter safe. The owner tried to change the engines. He was doing in your house some experience trying to change the right motor to the left motor. This is a strange thing that the person are trying to do to repair the quadcopters. And I will replace all the connections for discover what is happening to the engines. But I believe that the owner tried to fix again a motor and then they made it all the system, and now we have a bad way for charge. And the energy doesn't arrive to all the motors. We have a cold glue here. Perfect. Now I need to see if it's perfect. Could be bad, could be perfect, could be more or less. I will discover it now. I will discover. Let's go. Okay. All the engines are right. Let's go. Let me see if it's perfect now. I need to wait some time because there's no GPS signal here now. There's no GPS signal and I need to open again the app. Let's go. Well done. Look at the app. I've only a bad GPS signal, but now I have a chance for fly. Look. Take off. Perfect. I need to replace now the gimbal. And I will do this now. Right. If you need to replace some engine in your house, you need to be careful. Because if you fix it bad, there's no way for your quadcopter function. It needs a perfect connection. Because we have three parts components to the motor. We have the black, we have the green, the red, and we have the white. All they are connected one to the other. The black with the red and the white. The red with the black and the white. And the white, black and red. All they are connected, but there is a way for doing the move. Let's go. I need to repair the gimbal now.
Meu erro foi me entregar demais, mas agora, fim da nossa dor, do amor que nem se deu e nem fizemos juntos, a luz do fogo que não acendeu. Mágoa, nada pra dizer.
Wow! Look here, people, how it's beautiful and strong. Look. Now it is powerful. Look. Perfect. Perfect. Now I need to calibrate the gimbal. Let's go. I need to calibrate and then this quadcopter will be perfect. Okay. Wonderful. Save and fly. Now it's possible. Take off. Fly. Okay.